Hey everybody, Crafting Journey here, that Journey Chick on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. So it's that_journey_chick on Instagram. I'm just sitting here doing making a little scarf out of my Mandala Sparkle. It's a number 3 weight. It is called Draco, and it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my God, it's got all those sparkles in it. Look how pretty this sparkles, this scarf. I'm gonna make it as a summer scarf. And I'm gonna make it infinity. Anyway, the March giveaway. I'm gonna put a skein of it into the giveaway. Look, same color, pretty sparkle. That's going to go in the March giveaway. So stay tuned to the end. I'll have a question for you to answer at the end of the video. So what else am I giving away this month? Let's take a look. Okay. So, of course, Mandala was on sale at Joann's yesterday. So I picked up some tweed stripes, Lion Brand tweed stripes, 426 yards of white elephant. Look how pretty that is. I love this tweed. It's gorgeous. God, you can make a hat and a scarf out of this. So that will go into the giveaway. I'm going to put a skein of this cotton yarn in here. This is Lion Brand Summer Kiss. It's the color Jade. And you're going to get 262 yards. And I believe it is 80% cotton, 20% polyester. And that will make some nice dishcloths, things to go in your kitchen. I'm going to put a couple of skeins of Red Heart Soft Essentials. I mean, oh, so soft. Yes. So this is a number 6, oh, I'm sorry, it's a number 5 bulky yarn. And you're getting 131 yards per skein. And the color is turquoise, so you get 2 of that. All right, I'm putting in there a Lion Brand Hometown. Look how pretty. Oh my God, that would make a beautiful hat. And it's so super soft. This is 94% acrylic, 6% rayon. You're getting 64 yards. It's still enough for a hat, you know, because this is a 6. Bulky, super bulky. Then Mandala, more Mandala. This is supposed to be a number 4. Now I think it's kind of it looks kind of thin to me for a number 4, but it's Mandala Ombre. Look at that. Yeah, cool colors like this pink that goes into the purple. Very nice. Then I've got this Mandala Lion Brand, and it is a number 3 weight, and it's called Centaur. That's the color right there. Not really my colors, so I thought you guys would love it. And then we're going to get 2 skeins of the Premier Sweet Roll yarn. Now this is purple, different shades of purple, but it looks blue on camera. See, it looks blue and purple, but it really is, well, I guess that middle could be considered a blue, but it's more purplish than it appears on camera. So you get 2 rolls of that. I kept 1 roll for myself, and here's why. I think I'm going to do granny squares with the Sweet Roll yarn, because as you recall, I bought 4 different kinds, 4 different of the kinds of Sweet Roll. What Sweet Roll is this one? This is Grape Swirl. Grape Swirl. Nice. So I did keep back 1 so I could do some granny squares with the different colors of the Sweet Roll. So these are both number 4, and you're getting 245 yards in each skein. And that's it for there. And I'm going to throw in Crochet Time. This is a cute little journal book where you can keep track of all of your crochet projects. in the beginning, you put in your name, who it belongs to. This journal belongs to me. I have one of my own. I bought an extra one to give away. You can index your projects, say what page you started them on, because there's lots of pages. There's, I think, 128 pages in here. And then each page you could rate the yarn that you're using with the project, the color, the dye lot, the yardage, the fiber content, where did you buy it and how much did it cost, the gauge, what hook are you using, what size was it when it completed. You can write down your care instructions. You can put a sample of the yarn down here, or a picture of your project here, when you started, when you finished, all this cool stuff to keep track of your projects. So that will be part of the giveaway, guys. So that is the March giveaway. When are we going to do the giveaway? Let's look at the calendar and let's see. Okay, we're going to do it on March 24th will be the giveaway. I will probably do it at 8:15 p.m. Central Time. I will go live. I'll do a separate live. I do a Craft With Me Wednesday live on Wednesday nights. This is a Wednesday night. I will wait till that live has finished. Then I will do a separate live where I just do the giveaway, so that no one is confused about when this giveaway is happening. So this giveaway will be, again, it's going to be March 24th at 8:15 p.m. So what I need you to tell me, first you have to, here are the rules. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to be a U.S. resident. Please share this video with your friends and family. And then it is open only to U.S. residents. Or did I already say that? Maybe I already said that. Just because shipping cost right now is so exorbitant to other places, unless you want to agree to pay the cost of shipping, then go, by all means, enter the drawing. However, yeah. So good luck, everybody. But let me know, how many pages did I say were in the journal? I did say, I did mention it. So take a look and see, and put that in your entry. So somewhere in there, I don't care what you say in your comment, you have to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, be a U.S. resident, and somewhere in that comment you have to tell me how many pages the Crochet Time Journal has. And then I will do the drawing on March 24th. So good luck, everybody, and take care, and I hope to see you in one of my morning shows. Bye.